Hey guys, we are going to look at what you do to multiply a decimal by a decimal. Now, if you've been adding and subtracting decimals, you know the hard and fast rule is the decimals must line up. Well, guess what? With multiplying decimals, we don't have to worry about it. They don't have to line up. If you're wondering why that is, I'll link a video for you in the corner. But when we multiply these, at first, we can basically just ignore the decimals. I'm still going to write them, but we really don't have to worry about them until the end. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply these, and I'm basically going to multiply them as if it was 283 times 61. I'm ignoring the decimals for just a minute. Okay, so when I multiplied those and then added together, I got 17263. And this is when I need to remember, oh yeah, we were working with decimals. This wasn't 283 times 661. It was 2.83 times 6.1. So now how do I figure out where the decimal goes? Well, I go back up to my original two numbers and I count how many numbers are behind the decimal place. So here I have 1, 2, and here I have one more, so 3. There's a total of 3 numbers behind my decimal places. So that's how many are going to be behind in my answer. 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal place. And I end up with 17.263. And if we think about that, that really makes sense. We have a number that's almost 3, right? 2.83 is pretty close to 3. And a number that's pretty darn close to 6. So 3 times 6 would give me 18, which is pretty close to this. So I'm feeling very confident, okay? All right, let's go ahead and do one more. Like I said, we can just ignore the decimals for a moment. Okay, I'm just going to multiply these like normal, ignoring the decimals for just a minute. Okay, so now I multiplied those and I'm going to add these up. Okay, so I added those up and I got this big old number, right? Now I go back up to figure out where my decimal goes and I count how many numbers are behind the decimal point. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers behind the decimal point. So that's how many I want here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So I end up with 139.65048. All right, I hope this helped. I will link a whole decimal playlist for you if you need it. Thanks.